How to get 1099 from Coinbase. If you've earned more than $600 in crypto income, then you would be receiving a 1099 tax form from Coinbase. First, you're going to navigate to coinbase.com. Type it into your browser, don't use a search engine. Then you're going to go up to the top, right-click Sign In. Enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, if you're lucky, you'll see in the top right it's tax time, and you can simply click the Check It Out button. If you don't see that, you're going to go up to the top right corner where you can see your own icon and profile. Give it a click. Go down in this menu and select Taxes. Then click on Document button. Right here you can get your 1099 tax report, and you should see a bunch of different documents here. That's it. Thanks for watching.